Replacing this unit contactor with is a Sure switch, which is made by Emerson, and it is a heavy-duty contactor. It's got protection in it for brownouts, short cycling. We can set the dip switches up in here. It's a two-piece kind of part, so you remove the back off of it, and then the footprint is almost identical to the screw holes on the unit. So we're just going to place this back piece on the piece of equipment. Mount this. Okay, now this is the main controls. If you can see this, you've got the compressor, common, run, and then L1 and L2 is going to be my main power coming in. Alright, the wiring is going to be a little different. So what I've got here is I've got my common and my yellow, which is my coil voltage. These are my little wires here that were removed earlier. Alright, get some more slack up here. Make sure I'm not broken or cracked, that I got a good snug fit when I place these on the terminals. Okay, so now these are not going to reach. I'm going to have to cut this band and move these down to a lower section. Cut that for a minute.